Do you see it? Am I bugging? Am I bugging? Can you see it? You can see it too? Okay, great. Okay, I'm gonna go. The palette said you gotta go, baby. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, as you can see by the title, we are trying on a new eyeshadow palette. Me and my bestie, we went to Sephora and she had this palette and she recommended it to me, and then I was just like, okay, I'm gonna try it. The palette is so pretty. Shout out to my friend Diana for recommending this palette. Here is what it looks like. So cute. Let me go ahead and show you how pretty the palette is. Tell me this is not so pretty. It is gorgeous. This palette is gorgeous. So let me open it up for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Isn't this so gorgeous? Get into it. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that the mirror is so big. Look at the mirror. Like, you literally don't need like a mirror while you're using this palette. So there's that. This color right here is really beautiful, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, these feels amazing. So this is this one right here. Oh my goodness, do you see this? Let's do another shimmer. So this purple right here is beautiful. Oh la la, this one is beautiful. Let's put it next to this. Oh, on camera it looks like they are the same, but this one is much more purple than the other one, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This hot pink right here is calling my name, so I have to swatch this one. Oh, look how, oh, I almost dropped the palette. Oh my goodness. Right over here. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. This orange looks quite nice. This one feels so buttery. Ooh la la. So let's go ahead and put this on our lid because it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go for this color right here. It's a pink, but it's not. It's like a peach. It's like a peachy pink. So it picks up really beautiful on the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my lids. This mirror is bomb. We're gonna blend it later. Don't get scared yet, okay? Don't get scared yet. Beautiful. This color is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Look at it. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? No? Look at it. Actually a good thing that we put the powder under our eyes because because I see the fallout is crazy. I cannot do one eye without doing the other, so we gotta put it in both of the eyes. Both of the eyelids. Okay. Also, I would like to know, what's your favorite palette right now? What's a palette you always reach out to that you're using 24/7, honey? A palette that you're using every day when you do your makeup, even though we're in quarantine, you know? Listen, we are in quarantine, but when you go outside, enjoy doing your makeup. I do that. I do that. So even though I'm using a mask, I try to do my eyeshadow so that my eyeshadow could be popping. And you know, this is gonna be covered, but our eyeshadow gonna be popping. And I'm gonna blend it out with my Wet n Wild brush. Looks like this. It's like a fluffy brush. These are really nice. Really nice. It's blending really nicely, like beautifully. I'm not doing a good job at blending it, but it's blending beautiful. Like, if we're talking about the products, wow. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Remember how I said the mirror is really nice? It is nice, however the palette is quite heavy, so holding this and doing my makeup, my hand is kind of like falling right off because the palette is so heavy. So mirror is really nice. I appreciate it, however I can't hold it and like do my makeup at the same time because the palette is heavy. So there's that, but I appreciate the mirror though. I'm also gonna go ahead and use this one right here. It's like a lighter, it's like a lighter peach color. I want to blend out the top part. I want to like soften it. Use like another blending brush. This palette is pigmented. It's all, so I decided to zoom you guys in a little bit closer because, you know, we want to see all the details, all the details. I told you guys about the color, the little lighter color, the lighter pink that I wanted to put on top. However, it's not soften. It didn't soften the top like I wanted to soften it over here. It just, the colors were too close together. That's actually my fault, not the palette's fault. A little bit like right here, I want something darker in my crease, and this color looks to be darker. Camera, it's not looking like it's darker, but this is definitely darker than all the others, so I'm gonna be going in with that one, and I'm gonna go with the same brush as well because why not? Boom. We're gonna, oh, it's not lighter, it's not darker. These colors look darker, but they're not. So usually I use like a darker brown or like a darker red to like deepen like right over here, but the palette doesn't have that. All the colors that I have here on my eyes they all look like they're the same color. However, none of them are the same color, but they just look like they are. I'm not mad at it. It's beautiful. I need something to put in my crease, but there's none. I actually had to go and switch to my regular mirror because my hand was really like falling off. There's this color right over here. It looks like it's a gray. When I put it on my skin, it looks like it turns brown, so we're gonna try to put it in the crease. Oh no, it's gray. It's gray. It's going on the lid gray, and we don't like that. Oh, this is doing such a good job. But at first it went on gray, and then it's like it went on the skin. So it goes on gray, as you can see. It goes on a little bit gray, and then you blend it. Well, I'm not really blending it. That's not really blending it. I'm blending it. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm not really blending it. I'm not okay, anyways. it's blending really nice. So it goes on gray, but it turns brown on the lid. And that is what I wanted. Okay, that is all I wanted. The thing is, it blended with the purple we had underneath, and it turned into like a brown. Or it turns like a blue color. Yeah, but it's like really nice. Like, Zine, we see you, boo. We see you, boo. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, honey. So I went ahead and I blended everything, and I have to say, for this palette, you do need to blend in order to get the where you want to be. Like, you can just slap it on and it'll be like, okay, cute, but to get the color that you want, you have to blend like crazy. I mean, that's always been the rules for eyeshadows, but for this palette specifically, you need blending, honey. You need blending. But I have to say, out of all the shades that I've used, nothing was patchy. Really good. Really, really good. So now I need a shimmer. I'm between this color right here and this one up here. Looks gorgeous. I'm gonna go with the color that I swatched earlier, which is the purple blue-ish color. I'm gonna apply with my hands just because I can tell that with the hand it might be more beautiful. So we're gonna do my hands, and we're gonna ooh period. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, I can't see. The lights are like blinding me, so I don't know what I'm doing. Let me just pay attention here, because the color is beautiful, but my application is just all over the place. This color is gorgeous. However, I did like such a bad job at like putting it, so I'm gonna fix it with a brush. You know how I said I think it will apply with my hand better? It applied with the brush even better. Gorgeous. Usually it's the opposite with palettes. Like when you apply with your hand, it's much better, but this one with the brush, you get you get it to look exactly like it looks on the pen, on the palette. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Oh, we stand. I'm gonna be using this palette a lot. I'm gonna just let y'all know right now. I'm so happy with what I'm so glad. I'm happy with what we have going on up here. So let's move on to the under eye. For the under eye, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go. The palette said you gotta go, baby. Yeah. Same color that we used earlier. Then the under. I'm also gonna put this color that we put earlier, which is the color that we thought was red, was like a dark red. We're also gonna put that under the under eye. What? Anyways, y'all know what I mean. For the inner corner right here, I'm gonna go in with this color. Isn't it gorgeous? And I'm using a flat brush, and then we're gonna put it in the inner corner right. Oh, so it's like that, honey. It's like that. You're really gonna do that, huh? This color is beautiful, really pretty. Goodness, do you see that inner corner? Do you see it? Do you see it? Am I bugging? Am I bugging? Can you see it? You can see it too? Okay, great. So I am back. I went ahead and I put some mascara, and then I also put some liner, and honestly, look at this look. Look at this look. It is so cute. It came out really, really cute. And honestly, I love this palette so much. I'm probably gonna be using this a lot. It was $60, and for $60, I think it's pretty good. For 25 shade, you do get a lot of beautiful colors, and some of the colors, it seems like, okay, it's not really gonna work for me, especially I'm a dark-skinned girl. I know in camera I look like I'm brown skin or something, or maybe I look dark skin, I don't know. I am dark skin, and so I'm always looking for, you know, things to show up on me, like any color to show up on me. And I have to say, beautiful colors. All of these look beautiful on. And another thing, I said in the beginning that it looks like I'm gonna get fallout, and I didn't get any fallout. I got a little bit, like a tiny bit of fallout, and honestly, not much. When you pick it up on the brush, you can see some fallout, but it's nothing crazy, nothing crazy. I'm excited to use the other colors in here. So that is all for the Norvina ABH collection. Norvina, did I say it right? Norvina collection. I do hope that you did enjoy this video, and please let me know in the comments what are eyeshadows that you are loving right now, or products that you are loving right now, or you know, things that you want to recommend me. I listen to anybody. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in another one. Bye.